So Sienna's here in Israel to talk about a number of things. So first of all, we want to talk and have good discussions with our customers about how networks should be architected. We have a strategy in architecture called Open. It's spelled OP to the scale of N, optical packet. So why do we call it that? So we call it that because we believe the right way to architect networks is very simple, high capacity, reliable transport infrastructure built out of packet and optical. And everything is growing today in the world. Bandwidth is growing through mobile, through fixed networks, through enterprise, through cloud, through big data. So our network must scale to meet that. And we genuinely believe the best way to do that is to connect up all those sites with the most lowest cost, highly reliable packet optical transport infrastructure.
The world of internet is really growing in dimensions and in ways that we would never imagine, right? It's like not even doubling, it's more than that.
Yeah, I mean, it's growing in every way possible. Mobile devices, smartphones, iPhones, Android are all fueling it. Hosted services, data centers, the cloud is fueling it for enterprise. Residential, we're moving from DSL to VDSL to fiber to the home. Video, video is moving from standard video to HD video to 4,000 line video. We've seen it recently, did a trial on 4,000 line video, 13 gigabit per channel. So, huge bandwidth.
Now you're working with Europe, Middle East. Let's talk about Israel. How do you see Israel in terms of technology, in terms of your target audience?
So Israel is an exciting market for us. That's why we're here. We see a number of things going on in Israel. We see the same technology trends we see in other countries: mobile, fixed, enterprise. Israel is also a hotbed of innovation. Lots of startups that we see in the industry, which is really interesting for us to discuss. And obviously we have a number of customers here already, and we would like more customers. So we're targeting both the service providers and the enterprise market here with this architectural vision. And we brought our marketing truck here with all our latest products on it. So this isn't just slideware, it isn't just PowerPoint. We have the solutions today to implement this stuff. And that's why we're here in Israel to talk to our customers about this.
And the infrastructure in Israel now is ready for the next generation with your innovations?
Yeah, I mean, Israel is like most other countries around Europe, Middle East and Africa at the moment. Some parts of the network are ready to be modernized, some have already been modernized. So, the last couple of years and the next few years will be a hotbed of network migration to cope with all these changes. We absolutely want to be in the middle of that, helping our customers make that transition.
How about in terms of web security? Israel went through some sort of hacking attack. Are you helping with that as well?
So yeah, Israel isn't unique in that part. I mean, we had Sony PlayStation getting hacked recently, UK government. There's lots of hacking incidents. So how we're helping with that is that when the data leaves your building, how do you know it's secure? Optical fibers can be tapped. So what we do is we offer as an add-on service on top of everything else we do, that we can encrypt your service over the network. And this is US military grade encryption. It's called FIPS encryption. And you can encrypt whatever is on your link. So if you pull together all your different services from mobile, from enterprise, whatever hits the optical fiber gets encrypted. So just to protect everything. And you would manage that in conjunction with other types of security encryption. It just means when it's outside of your control, outside of the building, it's safe, and that's important.